Accidents can happen, so that's why axle protectors are a great modification to make to your motorcycle. Start by slotting the thread through the axle with the logo facing upwards. Maybe put a piece of sticky tape on the other side to make sure that it doesn't fall out. Then remove the two small Allen key bolts holding the end cap on, so it makes it easier to thread it through. Place the metal surround on the axle, then hold the other side of the axle protector while you screw it in. Make sure it's done up nice and tight so it doesn't rattle around, and then put the two small Allen key bolts back in nice and tight. For the front ones, you'll need to undo them with an Allen key tool, and then when you put them in, it says to do them up to 4 Newton meters, but you can just do them up till they're tight. Place the end cap on and then you're done.